Hi, it's Raymond Whittaker from VivaMK. Just unboxing a delivery, so let's have a look, see what's inside the delivery. So we've got the box open and we've got the delivery notes. So we've got a nice double duvet. We got another luxury duvet. We got a little empty box. Used for packing, which is Naughty Elves. So it could come in handy sometime. So we've got a stacking shoe storage, 3 of them. So you can see how they work. So we've got Your Planet, we've got Faith in Nature body wash, we've got Faith in Nature laundry, and we've got some external like hooks. We've got some 10 suction cups to hanging up your Christmas decorations. Got some chocolate cream meal replacement shakes. One packet will do 14 shakes. We've got some spider repellent. And we've got some silicone exfoliating pads, 3 of them, 2 pink and 1 blue. So an order from VivaMK. Empty the box. So thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.